Good morning, stackers of YouTube. I'm back again for another unboxing video on this snowy morning. I just finished snow blowing my driveway and shoveling the walkways, and got to open some of my packages, and I have one more left to open. I want to share them with you, so here we go. So, as you've seen from my other videos, if you've watched, I always like to pick up some junk silver. Since my last video, I got basically $1 or so in Mercury dimes. I don't know if we'll be able to pick those up. We all know what they look like. Yeah, I can't really get a good focus on it, but so they're pretty beat, but you know what? They're silver. I like them. I also ended up with about $2, $2.25 face in old Washington quarters. And I got some halves. I got $3.50 in halves. So we got some Kennedys, some Franklins, some more Kennedys, and I got a really old beat up Barber half from, what does that say, 1912? This coin's seen better days, clearly, but I can't get a good focus on it. But there we go. It's pretty worn away. Pretty cool. And got that for a decent price, along the same lines that I paid for the Kennedys and the Franklins, so why not? I watched Silver New Jack's video a few weeks ago, and he showed some of these, so I went searching for some as well and picked up a tube of 20. And these are half-ouncers. Come on, focus. These are half-ouncers of the Lunar rabbits. And Silver New Jack was talking about a good chance of making some money on these, so I figured I'd buy some. I had the opportunity off of eBay, bought them from overseas. I'll hang on to them and probably turn them into some sales and get some different types of silver with it. So I'm pretty excited about that. I also picked up 2012 Kook to continue my collection for my wife. And this is probably my least favorite out of all the ones I have. I have the 2012 and 13, 14, and 15. This is my least favorite. But you know, you need it to complete the collection. Alright. Then I also got a package in from bullion. And if you watched my last video, you saw that I had unpackaged a collection of lunar goats from the 5-ounce. I got 5-ounce, 2-ounce, 1 ounce, and half-ounce. And so I decided I would do the same thing with the horses. So to start with, I got 2 Come on. Oops. I got 2 of the 1/2 ounce horses. And I definitely like these better than the goats, no doubt about it. So we got 2 of those. And I got the 1 ounce. 2 ounce. And this just came in this morning. Got the 5 ounce. So I'm pretty psyched to have those to add to the stack. So there's the 4. I probably won't get anything bigger than the 5 ounce because, you know, once you get much bigger than that and you go back in the years, they get really, really expensive, and I'd rather use that money for other things than lunars at this time. So there they are all together. Real nice coins. And again, a shout out to Silver New Jack for turning me on to these. We'll see if we can make something of it. Alright, you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.